everyone, my name is Mia Erina Kesara binti Muhammad Karnizam and I'm from SK Jawi Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. Today, I'd like to tell you about my best collection of fairy tales. It has 16 stories in one book, and the book is full of coloring. This book from Ladybug Publishing and Disturbing. It has 129 pages and it has 16 contents. It's a magical doorway into a world of wonder, bravery, and imagination. As I turned each page, I felt like I was traveling through ancient forests, royal castle, and deep mysterious woods. The book includes like the magic porridge pot, Snow White and Rose Red, and the Prince Happy Prince. Each story it teaches an important lesson about kindness, courage, honesty, and belief in yourself. If you read this book, they linger in the back of your mind. They provoke new thoughts. What is there after we read all 16 fairy tales many times? Something will never change. The Magic Porridge Pot fairy tales will undoubtedly be a big hit in our library for years to come. What are some morals about in fairy tales? All fairy tales attempt to help people know how to be good people. Like this can be cautionary, like don't judge a book by its cover, or prescriptive, like be kind to others regardless of who they are. That's all for me. Thank you.